Okay, this is for everyone who's bought the ORSKEY dash cam front and rear and they wish to format their memory card because it's come up on the display that the memory card is now full. So what you need to do is start your car up, go to your camera, it will automatically start up and you will have this little round red circle flashing away there. That tells you it's recording. Okay, so what you need to do is press the OK button, which is here. That will stop it recording. Then you need to go into the settings, which is this one at the bottom here where my finger is. You press that button there and then you press the button again and that takes you to the little spanner. See the spanner? Then you need to use the down button. So if I can hold the thing, press the down button until you get to format. So we keep going. Format. Once you get to format, you press OK, which is this one. It will then say all data deleted. Okay, you want to go the down button till you see OK. Then you press OK. It will then format. So that card is now format again. Press your menu and then press OK and it'll start recording again. And that's it. All right, so that's nice and easy. Any questions? Just send us an email, carolinemanradio@gmail.com, and we can send instructions across or whatever. If this camera has been fitted by us, then we can do a call out and format the card for you. It is free of charge. You just pay for the fuel. Okay, thank you for watching.